One pleasant summer's morning, when the birds were all a-singing, oh, nature was adorning and the flowers were all a-springing, oh. I met my girl near Banbridge town, my charming blue-eyed Sally, oh. She's the queen of the county down, and my flower of Maharal, oh. With admiration I did gaze all on that fair-eyed maiden, oh. Adam was not half so much pleased when he saw Eve in Eden, oh. Her skin was like the lily white that grows in yonder valley, oh. And she's the girl that I adore, my flower of Maharal, oh. Her bonnet with 2 ribbons strung, her shoes were Spanish leather, oh. Her golden hair in ringlets clung, her scarlet cap and feather, oh. Like Venus bright she did appear, my charming blue-eyed Sally, oh. And she's the girl that I adore, my flower of Maharal, oh. I hope the day will surely come when we join hands together, oh, and I will wed the girl I love in spite of stormy weather, oh. And let them all say what they will, and let them storm or rally, oh. For I will wed the girl I love, my flower of Maharal,